Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen Arteon. This is the 2-litre diesel R-Line and it's finished in the stunning Manganese Grey metallic paint. At the front you've got the LED headlights with the dynamic curve lighting, and you've got the stunning diamond cut alloy wheels as well. With it being the R-Line, you've got the lovely chrome detailing so around the window, and you've also got the rear tinted windows too. The car covers just over 12,000 miles from new, so it is a fairly low mileage car for its age. You've got a really generously sized boot. As you can see, there's tons of room there, and it has got a really long length on it as well. So I'll open up the back and I'll show you the space it's got in there. So it's finished in the lovely carbon Optic Black Nappa leather. It's really luxurious and there's plenty of space in the back there, so this would be a perfect family car. You've also got 3-zone electronic climate control too. So we'll get in and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. So inside you've got your touchscreen display. You have got your navigation system built in as well. It's really clear and easy to use and a really good size screen. You have got the digital cockpit, so you can flip it to display it on there, so it just keeps your eyes more focused on the road. And it's really easy to flip back. You've also got your app connect, so you can connect your phone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink depending on what device, and you've got your DAB radio as well. You've got your driver mode selection, so you can change the mode depending on how you want the car to feel while you're driving. And you've got front and rear parking sensors, so it's perfect for keeping your lovely car nice and safe. Underneath, here's your 3-zone climate control. You have got heated front seats as well, so it's perfect for those chilly days. And it is manual, this car. You've also got your electronic parking brake with auto hold, and you've got your 2 cup holders in the front. You've got the lovely detailing on the dash that carries through over to the door as well. And here's a close-up of your Nappa leather. You've got the R-Line embroidery on there. Really, really luxurious and practical as well for any spills, and really comfortable. Onto your steering wheel, you have got adaptive cruise control and lane assist as well, so it's perfect for those long motorway drives. Here's your digital cockpit. Just allows you to change what key information you see. And you've got your automatic lights, and heated door mirrors and all your window controls here as well. So I really hope you like the car. If you're interested or you have any questions, please just give us a call. Thank you.